Hello everyone, welcome to Sources classes. So in this video again we'll be continuing our discussion with respect to questions from the verbal ability section, and the question that we'll be focusing on is of para-jumbles. Okay, and that too a 6 statement para-jumble. That is the one of the most difficult form of para-jumble question that are usually asked in this examinations. Okay, so what happens there are, instead of 4 or 5 statements, there are 6 statements are given, and all of them are flexible and has to be shifted or arranged in such a order so that we can have a coherent statement in this regards. Okay, so that's how we can go about solving the same. Now if you talk about para-jumbles in general, they form a huge chunk of the VA section in general, be it in your GRE examination or GMAT or any other MBA examination for your masters or anything for that matter. They form a huge chunk of the verbal ability section. So it is really important to get a good grasp on this particular topic and subsequently is the particular section as well. Now having said that, we'll focus on this particular 6 statement para-jumble question in this particular video, and subsequently we'll try and understand the right kind of approach to solving the same. So having said that, let's focus on the question here. We'll start off with statement A. This third-party liability insurance is mandatory for all vehicles and offer unlimited coverage for injuries, death, and caused by the vehicle. Okay, this. Okay, so A talks about this. So what is this? Okay, we don't know about what it's talking about. So this third-party liability insurance. Okay, so we'll hold off till A. So we don't know. One thing is for sure, A cannot be the first statement, because any statement, sentence or paragraph cannot start with this, because if I'm talking using this, then I've already mentioned the context of the passage or the line somewhere before that particular line. Okay, and this is just a and if I use this particular word is referencing to the previously mentioned point. Okay, next, option B. Insuring your vehicle is important because in case of an accident, the insurance company picks up the bill for repairs. Okay, so this is setting up a premise. Okay, B. So B can very well be our introduction, because it's talking about insurance in general. This compensation can run into several lakhs of rupees, and on occasion has even touched 9-figure mark. So C is talking about compensations. So no compensation has been talked about in either A or B. So C also we cannot say. General insurance company have been lobbying for a cap on the liability of several liability for several years. Okay, so this is talking about cap by general insurance companies. Again, we cannot say anything about these things. Okay, so let's go further. What only a few people know is that insurance company also compensates the victim of the accidents in which the vehicle is involved. Now, take a look at this. What only few people know, the insurance company compensates the victim in case accident is involved. And go with B. Insurance of vehicle is important because in case of insurance, the insurance company picks up the bill for repairs. So yes, this sets up an idea, and this gives important. Option B sets up an idea, and option E elaborates upon this. So B will be followed by E, and B and E will form a pair. Okay, this is a pair. Now B is done. Now take a look at this. This compensation, we are talking about compensates. Okay, this compensation can run into several lakh of rupees, on occasion is even at 6-figure marks. So it will be followed by C, because this elaboration has been emphasized upon in point C. So BEC will be next one. They contend they are losing money. Who is they? General insurance company. So D and F will be another pair. Okay, BEC will be one, and let's try and incorporate A. So this will be something like, we have BEC, we know B will start and EC will follow. Now either it will be DFA or either it will be BECADF. So just by looking at the option only, we can make out that this will be the correct one, but let us logically try and figure out why this is the correct, this particular option is correct. Okay, let's go with A first. This third party liability, which third party liability are we talking about? This compensation. Okay, third party liability is the talking about third party liability insurance is being uh, talking about the compensation that the company makes. Okay, that is reached. So A will come after C. So option 4 will be the right answer. So I hope this question is clear to you. The way we proceeded towards solving the same, we simply formed pairs and then subsequently by using the help of the options, we figure out the answer. Okay. So in case you have any doubt, just go through the entire question. I don't think you will face much of an issue. In case you have any doubt, just try and recollect with the explanation I have given for formation of the pairs in general. Okay, that should be more than enough in this regards. Now, having said that, if you're looking for detailed solution of the entire paper, feel free to connect with us and we'll be more than happy to help you out and provide you with the solution of the same as well. Now, if you like the video, make sure you like, share and subscribe to the channel so that we keep coming up with relevant content such as this further down the line as well. So with all that said, I'll be signing out. Thank you so much.